Asana tutorial, how to use Asana project management software for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I will show you how you can use Asana project management to streamline your communication within your company and within your teams. This software is free and it will allow you to break down your projects into tasks and set goals for all your teams. If you are a small business owner, then this is perfect for you. You can simply create an account for free here and manage your business here for free. For big businesses, you can upgrade your plan to premium to make use of the advanced features and more. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, visit asana.com, and this is the Asana homepage. Here we need to first create an account. The good thing about Asana, again, the project management tool, is that it's free for up to 15 people. So if you have a small business and have 15 or less people collaborating in your business, then this software is really perfect for you. For big businesses, you can upgrade your plan to premium plan for $10.99 per month or from the business plan of $24.99 per month. So to sign up for free here, just click the free plan, get started, or you can click up here, the get started, and to sign up, just provide your email. And then you just need to check your email inbox to verify your email. And after that, there are a few questions that you need to answer and follow. But since I already created my account here, I am not able to show you the questions and the guide. But it's too simple to answer and follow, guys. It's not that complicated, so there's no need for you to worry about. So I will just go ahead and log into my account. And now this is the Asana dashboard. And here, as you can see, I have my project here and task. So when you create an account, you'll be asked to create a project and then add some task. And this is what I created. So we have like one team here, the marketing team. With the free plan, I can only have one team here. Think about team as the different departments in your organization. So if you are a new user, you can avail the 30 days of free trial for premium plan, and you can add more than one team. Like you can add the marketing team, accounting team, sales team, and more. So let's go ahead and continue. So I would just skip the adding of the team since I only allowed to have one team here for the free plan. So to invite member, you can just click this invite team inside the marketing team and just provide the email of the new team or member that you want to add here and select the project that you want them to be part of. So now let me show you how you can manually add your project. So just double click on the team name. Here you can start creating project with Asana template or you can import spreadsheet. For templates, Asana has different templates that you can use and it depends on what project you want to create. So they have templates, for example, ticket tracking, meeting agenda, product, sales, marketing, IT, HR, and more. For example, for sales, so here you have your templates for sales. You can click each of this to see their overview, just like this. And you can also click this one, and that's your template. But for today's tutorial, I will start with a blank project. So let's go back and select the blank project here. So now here, name your project, and you can set the privacy of your project. So you can have it public to marketing. It means that everyone in the marketing team can see this project. Or you can just have it public to project so that only members inside the project can see this project. And the last one, you can also have it private just for you. And the next step is to set a default view for your project, like for example, list view, board view, timeline view, or calendar view. I will just select the list view here. Then after that, click on continue. Next, what do you want to do first? So here you can start adding tasks, or you can share with teammates, or you can set up workflow. I will just start adding the task and just add the task here. Like for example, I will add here the first task, preparing sales budget and projections and approving expenditures. And the second one, preparing weekly and monthly reports. And down here, you can see that you can also add section. So section is where you can like group each of your tasks. For example, here in our sales project, I can have a sales manager task here and sales representative task. So that's our the example of section. So just drag and drop your task to different section. And once you are done adding all your tasks here, you can now start assigning each task to your members. You can select also the due date here. And if you want to add more column or field, just add this plus icon here and you can add priority. For more custom field like status column, you need to upgrade your plan to premium. So you have the list view now as your default. And here you can also view it as a board view, timeline view, calendar view, or workflow, and more. So let's go ahead and check our home dashboard. So click on the home tab. So this is our home dashboard. Here you will see different widget like your priorities. Here you will see all your tasks like the upcoming task, overdue task, and completed task. Also, you have your widget here to create a project, and you can remove this widget by clicking on the three dots and remove widget. And you can customize your home dashboard and the widget that you want to be displayed here in your home dashboard. So just click on customize, and here you can change the color of the background if you wanted to. And to add a widget, just simply drag and drop. For example, I will add this task I've assigned over here. And also I will add this notepad. So let's go on. Under the My Task is where you can also see the task assigned to you. And in your inbox tab is where you can see all your notification. Like for example, new task assigned to you, or if you are being mentioned by someone in a comment, it will notify you here. And also you will receive an alert for any task past due and more. So going back to my task tab, so here if you are done or completed with a task, just check the task and it will be completed. So if you accidentally completed the task that is not yet completed or finished, just go to your home and go to the completed and then just uncheck it so that it will be added to your my task again. So that's how easy you can add your task and project here inside the Asana project management tool. Plus, this software is also very helpful for your business because it's very user friendly and the interface is so simple to understand. So there's a lot of businesses here or nowadays that using this software. So I guess it's also better for you to try this software. You can start with a free plan, but if you have a big team, then you can start the free trial. And after the free trial, for 30 days, you can start paying the monthly plans. So as I mentioned earlier that you have two plans, the premium plan and the business plan. Just choose which of these plans suits to your needs. So I guess that's all for today's tutorial about how to use Asana project management software for beginners. So I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below and I thank you for watching.